Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Many of the brands featured in this lineup are already well known and trusted among automotive enthusiasts, but Royal Purple stands out for its strong reputation among high-performance vehicle owners. The company has built its name on producing top-tier synthetic oils that meet or exceed industry standards. Royal Purple oils are API licensed and carry both the current API and ILSAC engine oil certifications, as well as the GM Dexos 1 approval for gasoline engines. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance for a wide range of modern vehicles. Royal Purple's synthetic oil is formulated with advanced additive technology designed to reduce metal-to-metal contact, offering superior wear protection that surpasses the requirements of both GM Dexos 1 and ILSAC GF5 specifications. In addition to protecting internal engine components, the oil helps improve fuel efficiency and provides enhanced protection for vehicle emissions systems, including catalytic converters, thanks to its patented anti-wear additive chemistry. This helps minimize the corrosive and damaging effects that exhaust gases can have over time. For drivers using ethanol-blended fuels, Royal Purple is an excellent choice. Its specialized additive package combats issues such as white sludge formation and lubrication starvation, which can occur when higher concentrations of ethanol are present in gasoline. These features make it particularly suitable for modern engines that frequently run on E10, E15, or similar blends. While Royal Purple synthetic oils are more expensive than many alternatives on the market, the combination of performance, engine protection, and positive user reputation makes them one of the most highly rated and widely recommended synthetic oils available today. Its premium formulation justifies the price for those looking to maximize engine longevity and efficiency. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. For those who own a diesel engine and are seeking a high-quality synthetic oil, Shell's Rotella series is an excellent choice. Unlike conventional 15W30 oils, this fully synthetic option can improve fuel economy by up to 2.8%, making it a practical choice for both daily drivers and heavy-duty applications. At the heart of Rotella's performance is its Triple Protection Plus formula, which combines advanced synthetic base oils with cutting-edge additives. This formulation provides superior protection for critical engine components, helping to extend engine life while minimizing wear under the demanding conditions often faced by diesel engines. Rotella T6 is specifically engineered to defend against common contaminants such as soot, dirt, and other particles that can accumulate in diesel engines. Its additive technology helps prevent the buildup of harmful deposits, ensuring smoother engine operation and maintaining reliability over time. In addition, the oil is formulated for excellent shear stability, which reduces viscosity loss and helps maintain consistent oil pressure under high load and high temperature conditions. This is particularly important for commercial trucks, heavy-duty pickups, and other diesel-powered vehicles that experience rigorous use. Another advantage of Shell Rotella T6 is its versatility in colder climates. Its formulation allows for easy cold starts, making it suitable for northern regions where low temperatures can challenge standard oils. Rotella T6 is recommended for engines that require SAE 5W30 oils, providing both high-performance protection and enhanced fuel efficiency. While it may carry a slightly higher price than conventional oils, the combination of long-term engine protection, fuel savings, and reliability makes Shell Rotella T6 a top-tier choice for any diesel engine owner. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1's Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is formulated with an advanced full synthetic base that provides long-lasting protection and enhanced engine performance. Its formulation is specifically designed to prevent the buildup of harmful deposits and sludge, which can accumulate over time and reduce engine efficiency. By maintaining stable oil viscosity even under extreme operating conditions, this synthetic oil helps ensure that critical engine components remain well lubricated and protected, supporting longer engine life and consistent performance. One of the key strengths of Mobil 1 Extended Performance is its carefully engineered balance of high-quality additives. These additives deliver superior wear protection, ensuring that metal-to-metal contact is minimized even under heavy load or high-stress driving conditions. Additionally, the oil exhibits exceptional thermal and oxidation stability, reducing the risk of oil breakdown and maintaining its protective properties over extended drain intervals. This combination of stability and protection allows engines to operate more efficiently, helping to preserve performance and reliability over time. The oil's low-temperature capabilities are another significant advantage. Mobil 1 extended performance flows quickly during cold starts, ensuring that all engine components receive immediate lubrication. This rapid protection helps reduce wear that typically occurs when engines start in colder climates, extending engine life and improving overall durability. Overall, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil provides a comprehensive solution for drivers seeking superior engine protection, reliability, and long-term performance. Its combination of advanced additives, excellent thermal stability, and enhanced low-temperature performance makes it a top choice for anyone looking to maximize engine longevity while maintaining smooth and efficient operation in a wide range of driving conditions. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is formulated using the company's innovative Pure Plus technology, a patented gas-to-liquid process that converts natural gas into a high-quality, full synthetic base oil. This process produces a base oil that is 99.5% pure, significantly reducing impurities compared to conventional oils derived from crude oil. When combined with Pennzoil's advanced performance additive system, this formulation helps engines run cleaner and more efficiently. In fact, using Pennzoil Platinum in a well-maintained engine can improve fuel economy enough to save up to 550 miles per year compared to an engine operating with conventional oils and accumulated deposits. This synthetic oil is particularly well-suited for modern turbocharged engines, offering protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a concern for high-performance and downsized engines. Pennzoil Platinum also performs exceptionally well in extreme temperatures. Its low-temperature flow allows engine components to receive immediate lubrication during cold starts, reducing wear, while in high heat, the oil resists evaporation, helping maintain stable protection even under demanding conditions. Another key advantage is its piston cleaning ability. Pennzoil Platinum keeps pistons up to 50% cleaner than required by Sequence IIIH testing, one of the most rigorous standards in the industry. This helps maintain engine efficiency, reduce deposits, and extend engine life. Pennzoil Platinum meets or exceeds a wide range of specifications, approvals, and recommendations, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo standards. It also surpasses API SN Plus, API SN-RC, all previous API categories, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1 standards, making it a reliable choice for virtually any modern gasoline engine seeking maximum protection and performance. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. For drivers with higher mileage engines, Mobil 1 offers a full synthetic oil specifically formulated for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. This advanced oil is designed to deliver superior lubrication and wear protection compared to conventional high-mileage oils, helping engines maintain performance and reliability as they age. Its formulation works to protect critical engine components, while also minimizing the buildup of sludge and harmful deposits that can accumulate over time with standard oils. Additionally, it helps prevent leaks, a common issue in older engines where gaskets and seals may have started to harden or shrink. Mobil 1 High Mileage Synthetic Oil is crafted using a proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils, providing proven engine protection for up to 500,000 miles. The formula includes an enhanced level of seal conditioner, which helps maintain the flexibility and integrity of rubber seals. This prevents leaks and contributes to the overall longevity of the engine, making it a reliable choice for vehicles with significant mileage. The oil is engineered to perform across a wide range of operating conditions, delivering stable viscosity, exceptional wear protection, and improved overall engine efficiency. Depending on the viscosity grade, it meets or exceeds industry standards including API SN+, SN, SM, and SL. Some grades are also compatible with ACA specifications such as A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5, ensuring versatility for a variety of engine types and performance requirements. Overall, Mobil 1 high mileage synthetic oil provides a comprehensive solution for older engines, offering enhanced protection, reduced wear, and leak prevention, helping vehicles maintain performance and extend engine life well beyond standard expectations.